Holy shit. What is that thing?
That's the new Rotary SPO20.
What are you going to lift with that beast?
Anything I want.
Rotary's new SPO16 and 20 are changing the rules, picking up everything from Class 1 to Class 5 vehicles. From small passenger cars to large work vehicles, this beast can lift anything that pulls in your shop. The SPO16 and 20 feature Rotary's patented trio arms, adding 22% greater reach and retraction, while making it easier and faster for technicians to hit a vehicle's pickup points. Plus, you can supercharge these lifts with Shockwave to take advantage of faster rise times and cheaper operating costs, accelerating your productivity immediately. And there's only one thing that could make these lifts even better: the fact that they're designed, built, and assembled in Madison, Indiana. See why this is the only lift you'll ever need, from the only company that can produce it.